Passengers on flight CAL 300 to Taiwan, please proceed to gate 3. Attention please. All passengers for flight CAL 300. Your flight has been delayed by 2 hours. Good afternoon, passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for flight CAL 300 to Taiwan. We're now inviting passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to board first. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes. Thank you. Attention please, this is the final call for Cathay Pacific CAL 300 to Taiwan. Departing passengers should proceed to gate 3 immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, we're expected to take off in approximately 10 minutes. Please straighten your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Thank you.